If your Sceptre monitor's blue light is blinking, but there's no picture, this indicates the monitor is receiving power, but not a valid video signal. This is a common issue, especially in Sceptre models manufactured between 2020 and 2023, but can often be resolved with basic troubleshooting. First, check the cable connections. Ensure your HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA cables are securely connected to both the monitor and your computer. Try different cables and test them with other devices to rule out cable damage or compatibility issues. Next, cycle through the monitor's input sources using the Input button. Wait 10 to 15 seconds between each input change to see if an image appears. Finally, power cycle the monitor by unplugging it for 30 seconds, holding the power button for 15 seconds while unplugged, and then reconnecting and powering it on. According to experts, proper cable management and input source verification resolve this issue in 70% of cases. If basic checks haven't resolved the blue light blinking issue, we need advanced troubleshooting. First, connect your monitor to a different computer or device to isolate whether the problem is with your monitor or your computer. Next, update your graphics drivers to the latest version. Outdated drivers often cause display communication issues. Access Device Manager in Windows and look for your graphics adapter. Boot your computer in safe mode to test with lower resolution settings. Safe mode uses basic display drivers and can help determine if the issue is resolution or driver related. Try accessing your monitor's on-screen display menu using the buttons on the monitor. If the OSD menu appears, your monitor's panel is functional. Reset the monitor to factory defaults through the menu. If these steps don't work, you may have hardware failure. Common issues include backlight inverter problems or T-Con board malfunctions. These are the circuit boards that control your monitor's display functions. Seek professional help if you notice physical damage, unusual sounds, or if troubleshooting fails. Hardware repairs typically cost $80 to $150, so consider replacement costs. Sceptre has improved quality control in newer models and offers extended warranties.